Wow, they're twisting and turning in midair. Buzzing right by my head here. They must be getting ready to migrate. This is a real competition.